Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's Product Peek, we have the Noble Color Match 3-piece STI Style front lip for the VB chassis WRX. Let's check it out. Rising gas prices means higher shipping costs, and higher shipping costs means, well, you know what that means. In comes the Noble STI Style 3-piece Color Match front lips. All of the same great quality and fitment as the one-piece lip, but now with a more compact package. As you can see, I can only ship a one-piece lip in this gigantic oversized box, and that is no bueno. And sometimes the shipping cost can be as much as the part. Much better. So the need for a better solution drastically increased. This kit will include all 3 pieces color matched to your vehicle's paint, plus all of the bracketry and hardware needed to install. Simply assemble the front lip, then install it onto the car. No hassle, no fuss. So thanks for taking a look at the Noble STI Style 3-piece color match lips for the VB chassis WRX. For thousands of parts just like this, plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.